Hi guys, today we will be learning how to write code, save it on a computer and make it display on browser. So first of all, go to the code software, click on new file, and then it will make you a file. Send tags. Put this angle bracket, write anything. These are called opening tags and these are called closing tags. They have a forward slash in them. Now we have to exit the browser. Sorry. Then this is the talk type HTML tag. And next is HTML body and H1 tag. Exit the software and go to the browser. Okay? Cool. Now go to your browser, youtube.com. Click on YouTube. What is this thing? Just watch CoComelon with your toddler. Oh, loading. Loading. Sorry, your network's slow, even slower now. Change it, man. Okay. A little bit this. Okay, now what? Darmain? Good. Click on Pastry Gamer and click on subscribe and turn on notifications to all. Thanks.